Do you also suffer from dental plaque? Do you also hesitate when smiling in front of someone? If so, then this video is for you. In this video, we will discuss: what is dental plaque? What causes it? What are the dangers of dental plaque? Natural remedy to remove dental plaque. Some more tips to remove it. And then we will discuss that how can we avoid dental plaque. So don't skip any part of this video to get the full guide. Let's get started. Segment 1. What is dental plaque and its causes? Dental plaque is a sticky, colorless film of bacteria that forms on your teeth. It's the result of a natural process where bacteria feed on sugars from the food we consume. Over time, this plaque can harden into tartar, leading to a range of dental issues. Plaque contains bacteria, leftover food particles, and saliva. When you eat, the bacteria in your mouth feed on food debris like sugars and carbohydrates. This breaks the food down into a sticky, acidic film, what we know as dental plaque. Mostly, plaque is colorless, but sometimes it can cause tooth discoloration because food particles stick to the plaque. Dental plaque makes your teeth look and feel fuzzy. If you run your tongue over your teeth and it feels like they're wearing tiny sweaters, that's plaque. If you don't remove plaque regularly, it will turn into tartar. At this point, you can't brush or floss it away. Only a dentist or hygienist can remove it. Dental calculus is another name for tartar. Tartar might be off-white or yellow at first, but after a while, it will take on the color of whatever foods or substances you consume. For example, certain things can make tartar look darker, including coffee, tea, red wine, smoking, chewing tobacco. Segment 2. The dangers of dental plaque. So, why is dental plaque a cause for concern? Well, besides causing bad breath, swollen gum, it can lead to tooth decay, cavities, gum disease, and even tooth loss if left untreated. But fear not, there are effective ways to combat this common dental problem. Segment 3. Natural remedy. Beyond conventional methods, there are natural remedies that can complement your dental hygiene routine. Baking soda and hydrogen peroxide paste. Baking soda has teeth whitening properties. That's why it's prevalent in toothpaste commercials. It helps in rubbing off stains from the tooth surface due to its mildly abrasive nature. Hydrogen peroxide, on the other hand, is a natural bleaching agent. It also helps in killing bacteria. People have been using hydrogen peroxide to kill bacteria on wounds for many, many years now. Ingredients that you need: 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide. Mix both the contents and you'll end up with a paste. After brushing your teeth with toothpaste, brush with this baking soda paste. Use this paste to brush your teeth daily or alternate days. It's not magic. You wouldn't get super shiny teeth just after one session. Use this paste regularly, and you'll eventually start to see the difference. If you have sensitive teeth, use this paste only 2 days a week. You can also make a mouthwash with the same ratio of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide, plus some water. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And share this video. Crunchy fruits and vegetables are known to rub off plaque from your teeth while you chew them. They are not a replacement for brushing your teeth, of course, but any remedy is an excellent remedy if it gives results as expected. Plus, fruits and vegetables are known to be very useful for your overall health. That's a win-win for you. 2 of the fruits which have been claimed to whiten your teeth are pineapple and strawberry. An enzyme named bromelain, found in pineapple, effectively removes stains and is useful in overall tooth whitening. Strawberries, on the other hand, contain malic acid, which is known to remove discoloration on your teeth and make them appear whiter. Use a fluoride toothpaste. Fluoride helps to prevent tooth decay by strengthening tooth enamel against acid, which can decay teeth. Fluoride is a naturally occurring mineral that has been proven in several studies to effectively control dental cavities. Toothpastes can contain different levels of fluoride. Adults and children over 3 should use toothpaste containing 1,350-1,500 ppm fluoride. For children, use toothpaste specially manufactured for their age to ensure they have the right levels of fluoride. If you're unsure of which toothpaste is best for you and your family, speak to a dentist. Brush your teeth for at least 2 minutes, ideally 3. Brushing teeth for 2 minutes is well-known advice. But did you know many people typically only brush their teeth for 45 seconds? The amount of plaque removed increases with brushing time. According to one study, brushing for 3 minutes removed 55% more plaque than brushing for 30 seconds. Segment 5. Ways to prevent tartar and plaque from building up. The best way to prevent tartar and plaque from building up is with the correct dental hygiene routine, as above, as well as regular visits to the dentist. But diet also plays a big part in keeping tartar and plaque at bay. Reducing the amount of sugar and starch in your diet is the best way to prevent plaque. Bacteria in the mouth love sugary and starchy foods, and when that bacteria feed on these foods, it creates the familiar fuzzy teeth feeling known as plaque. Unfortunately, many of the foods bacteria love, we love too. Sticky sweet treats and savory snacks that can get stuck between your teeth are the worst culprits. But even just cutting down on the following foods or brushing after eating them can help reduce the risk of plaque building up. Candy, ice cream, cakes and pies, dried fruit, potato chips, soft bread. Some drinks can be just as bad for causing plaque to form on your teeth. Fizzy drinks, alcohol, fruit juices, and high-carb sports drinks can all contribute to plaque buildup. By moderating your intake of plaque-forming foods and by maintaining a thorough dental hygiene routine, you can reduce the risk of plaque and tartar buildup. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide on dental plaque and its remedies. If you found this video helpful, please don't hesitate to show your appreciation. Give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Sharing is caring, so be sure to pass this valuable information along to friends and family. And remember, your comments and feedback mean the world to us. Let us know what you found most useful or if you have any questions. Your engagement fuels our mission to bring you even more helpful tips. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to a bright, healthy smile. Until next time.